Hello guys, welcome back to Dark Angels Intuition. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back sa mga palaging nag-aabang ng mga reading ko. And welcome to my channel sa mga new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Welcome sa channel ko. Anyway, itong reading na to is my first 2024 collective reading or general love reading. So, I was going to pull an oracle card. This is when two hearts meet. This is a soul connection oracle card. Recognition. The divine will help you recognize signs and miracles. So, let's see your situation. Gagamitin natin tong Island Time Wellness Oracle card. The Runner. Okay. So, I can see my quite twin flame connection. So, recognition and the Runner. Runner in a codependent relationship. Fear of intimacy. Listening to ego. So, let's see. I'm going to do a reading. Let's start sa tarot cards. Two of Wands. Oh. Okay. So, hindi ko alam kung kita ba sa inyo lahat to. But anyway, the bottom of the deck is the Four of Cups. So, I can see disappointments. Parang hindi na-appreciate yung mga nangyayari sa relationship na to. Pwedeng may marriage involved, pwedeng engagement involved dito sa marriage na to, yet parang suddenly may ghosting na nangyari. Okay, siguro ghosting because gusto niya muna magpag-isa, mag-isip, mag-soul searching about things, about clarities or anything. Parang gusto niya hanapin niya muna yung sarili niya. Gusto niya muna magpag-isa, something like that. But I can still see connection sa inyong dalawa. I can see true love and unconditional love dito sa situation na to. Might be dealing from the past or might be just missing this person when the time na hindi na siya nagparamdam. So anyway, in this present situation, I can see decision. So that means decision about mag-move on na ba mag-move on na ba ako, or it's either decision about sino yung pipiliin ko. So, I'm going to clarify these Two of Wands right now. What is this Two of Wands, please? Okay. So, hindi niya alam talaga kung sino yung pipiliin niya. Na-trap siya sa situation. yung person mo, it could be you. Pwede tong vice versa, okay? So, takes what resonates and leave the rest, okay? Put yourself in a situation kung saan kayo banda naka-resonate. So, anyway, with the shadow card, I can see here may fear and merong trap in a situation. Hindi niya alam kung sino yung pipiliin niya. So, paano siya mag-decision? He or she really need to decide here. Ando sa point that medyo may konsensya siyang dala or pagsisising dala sa mga nangyayari. So, it could be your person. Let's consider that. So, I can see merong ending, merong parang separation ang nangyari dito. Like, sino yung pipiliin niya towards separation na talaga, like, hindi niya nababalikan kasi kailangan niya talagang pumili and ipit na siya sa situation. I can see that you are not talking right now because of, it's either merong humadlang talaga sa relationship ninyo or ikaw mismo yung ayaw, ikaw mismo yung pumutol ng sitwasyon ninyong dalawa. So, merong cheating talagang nangyari dito sa relationship ito. And I can see you are in a healing process. Yeah, you are in a healing process. Yet, the challenger is the Five of Wands. Ito yung away, ito yung arguments. Paano kayo maayos sa mga nangyari sa inyo? Paano kayo magkaayos? Paano hindi na mangyari itong kaguluhan na to, itong away na to, it could be. So, this is a challenge. Sorry. The Five of Wands. So, mamaya natin i-clarify to. So, in the distant past, I can see here Queen of Wands. So, maybe this is you na before, in the distant past, you are someone single. You are someone enjoying your life. You are someone na opening your doors to everyone. Someone beautiful, someone very confident, someone very smart and strong. And alam mo yung ginagawa mo sa buhay mo. Very much athletic, very much passionate, very much kung baga sa social media ka, ma-friends ka. You are someone who is enjoying your life, being single and having this confidence that I know hindi ako mawawalan dahil makakahanap ako. So this is you in the distant past. So in the recent past, you did take the leap of faith. Feeling ko dito, dumating na sa buhay mo itong person na to. And you did take the leap of faith towards this person. But I was still going to clarify kung ano tong the Fool card here. Okay? Okay, what is this? So, the Four of Wands, the Eight of Pentacles, and the King of Swords. So, I can see this is your person. You might be dealing here with Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or Scorpio, or yeah, or an Aries, Sagittarius, Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. So, I can see that you did take the leap of faith towards a new beginning with this person. Okay, parang dumating to siya sa buhay mo to offer you a new beginning. Ando sa point na this is an ex. I can see really an ex sa taong ito in your part. Parang andun ka sa point in the distant past na nakamove on ka na. You are enjoying your life, being single. Okay ka na talaga sa buhay mo, something like that. And in the recent past, parang may dumating sa buhay mo, may bumalik to offer you a second chance. And might be you are married from this person before, as I can see earlier, a past person. So baka married ka sa taong ito and then naghiwalay kayo and then bumalik siya sa'yo. So this time around, from this enjoying your life, opening your doors to others, bumalik si past, parang dito ka nag-focus in this recent past. Kasi nakita ko, hindi kayo nag-usap nito nagkaroon talaga kayo ng on and off connection ng person na to until sa nag-effort siya. He's there just spying on you, and then nag-gather siya ng ideas on doing some effort towards you again to offer you a new beginning. Nag-move forward siya towards with you. Sobrang mong hinintay itong taong ito. Parang before, nung naghiwalay kayo, sobrang mo siyang hinintay na pagod ka, kaya you decided to move on in the distant past. So, in this recent past, bumalik siya. And I think you did take the leap of faith towards the new beginning of this person. Like, bahala na kung anong mangyari, something like that. I can see kasi na parang it's either this is an ex na married kayo, or it's either nag-engage kayo before. Okay, so takes what resonates. Parang may mga sobrang connection sa inyong dalawa, love connection, commitment sa inyong dalawa before. So, with the best outcome here, I can see, so in this present situation here, andito nakita ko yung decision. So, ganito yung storya na nakikita ko sa reading na to. Parang itong person na to, ex mo to, na sobra kayong nagmahalan before. Parang na-engage ata kayo or almost there kayong dalawa. Pero nung bumalik siya sa'yo, hindi na siya single. Like, hindi na siya same as before. Ibig sabihin, meron nang pumasok sa buhay niya nung naghiwalay kayong dalawa. So, ganun yung nagigets ko sa reading na to. Kasi, na siya, may responsibility na siya sa buhay nung bumalik siya sa'yo. I think they are just really not okay, or separated ba sila, kaya bumalik siya sa'yo. Kaya in this present situation, medyo nagkagulo kasi nga merong kailangan napiliin between you and might be the past, or like you are the past, pero meron nang pumasok sa buhay niya nung nawala ka. So, kailangan niyang pumili sa inyong dalawa. Medyo, andun siya sa point, nung time na to, this present situation, medyo gulo talaga siya. Medyo may mga pagsisisi na nangyari sa buhay na bakit nagdesisyon ako ng ganito. And kailangan kong pumili kung sino yung iiwan ko, kung kanino ako magstay. So, kasi you are someone very much special to this person before. Kasi I think meron ng engagement na nangyari sa inyo, or meron ng sobrang connection sa inyo. Hindi lang siguro talaga kayo nagkasal, pero after that, nung naghiwalay kayo, may dumating sa buhay niya. And na nagbigay yun sa kanya ng responsibility sa buhay. Ibig sabihin, naging mature siya, naging tatay ba siya, naging asawa ba siya ng other person, not you. So, I can see here in this 5 of Wands, medyo nagkagulo siya, and this is the challenge now, paano magkaroon ng peaceful resolution. Okay, so paano magkaroon ng pag-aayos, maayos na decision, something like that, kasi medyo gumulo yung situation ninyo right now. Para sa'yo, I think that you did take the leap of faith towards a new beginning with this person. I think you know about this, na mayroon siyang past, or mayroon siyang responsibility sa buhay niya. Then, of course, when that time na bumalik siya sa'yo, you take the leap of faith. And parang, because nga dahil sobra kayong nagmahalan before, so parang andun sa point na, this time, siguro nag-lie siya sa'yo, and then nag-search ka, or nag-research ka, or nag-spy ka, nalaman mo yung katotohanan, kaya nagkaroon ng kaguluhan. So, for the best outcome here is, kailangan maglakas na loob talaga dito, na magkaroon ng pag-aayos na pag-uusap. Like, to gain a strength na ayusin to kahit papano, na kasi pag dito sa point na gulong-gulo kayo, may arguments, may fight, or nakisaw-saw ba yung niya, yung pumasok sa yung past niya, is medyo magulo talaga to. So, for the best outcome dito is the Strength card na kailangan talaga, like, to give peace. Parang, ayusin ng maayos, pag-usapan ng maayos. Kahit mahirap, kailangan magkaroon ng lakas na loob para ayusin ang mga dapat ayusin sa sitwasyon na to. Okay, let's see. I'm going to clarify what is this Strength card. What is this Strength card, please? Okay. So, the High Priest. Anyway, parang andun sa point for the best outcome is kailangan i-balance ang mga situation. Kailangan i-balance and kung meron kailangan ipaglaban dito, ipaglaban or sabihin natin na ipaglaban or not ipaglaban, lumaban sa mga hadlang, lumaban sa mga struggles, huwag takasan. So, I can see ito na yung tinatawag nating runner sa ating oracle card. Codependent, fear of intimacy, listening to egos, huwag takasan ng mga bagay-bagay. And I think kailangan pag-usapan para alam mo mailabas lahat, mailabas ang mga kung ano man yung katotohanan na dapat malaman, you know, para kung kailangan ayusin. Kasi medyo nung bumalik siya sa buhay mo, medyo nagkaroon talaga kayo ng intimacy. Medyo nagkaroon talaga kayo ng connection again. You know, I can see here parang nagkaroon dito din ng clarity nung time na nag-spy ka or parang gathered ka ng ideas about this person. Bakit pa talaga to bumalik sa akin? And ito na yun. I think recognition within this oracle card, the divine will help you recognize the sign and miracles bin. The divine help you malaman mo yung katotohanan. You know, might be this person is a runner, might be this person kung sakaling nag-aaway sila, parang ando siya sa point na naghanap siya ng iba, and this time around, ikaw yung nahanap niya, ikaw yung pinuntahan niya. But this person is like, hindi siya marunong mag-handle ng problem. Hindi siya marunong mag-handle ng situation. Kung sakaling gugulo, kung sakaling mag-away, magkakaroon na ng mga away, struggles, obstacles na umaalis na siya. So, ito yung best way to do. Ito yung best outcome na kailangan ayusin, huwag takbuhan, kailangan lumaban. And para magkaroon ng balance connection kasi magiging imbalance talagang lahat dito. So, parang nabadrip ka, parang na-disappoint ka nung time na nagkaroon ng clarity about this person. Might be this person really did not tell you about things, about personal life nung dumating siya sa'yo, nung bumalik siya sa'yo. Nag-offer siya sa'yo ng new beginning, nag-move forward siya towards with you without telling anything, without telling the truth. And then, nung nalaman mo, sobrang na-disappoint ka and nagkagulo. So, this time around, medyo magulo din sa kanya sa part ng person mo kasi nga, nung nagkagulo-gulo na, hindi niya na alam kung sino yung pipiliin niya. Okay? So, let's see about the immediate future here. The Six of Swords. I can see somebody needs to walk away. Of course, kailangan. I think this person, or I think ikaw to. Yeah, ikaw to. You might be Libra or Taurus sign or an Aries, Sagittarius, Leo, okay? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. I can see here that in the immediate future, pag ma-explain niya lang sa yung lahat, pag malaman mo lang ng katotohanan at ma-explain niya sa yung katotohanan, I'm sorry for that. I think you will going to walk away calmly in this situation. Parang aalis ka na lang to move on, to rebuild yourself again. You will going to end the cycle and to have changes in your life. Kahit pa sabihin natin na sasabihin sa'yo ng tao na to na mahal ka niya and ayaw kanyang umalis, you will still going to walk away calmly in the situation here. Dahil I think with this strength card, so maglalakas ka talaga ng loob dito na parang you will going to try to, I think you will going to try to na maglakas ng loob na ayusin to, ipaglaban tong sitwasyon na to. Pero if magiging imbalance talaga and parang the truth will hurt you talaga, you will going to walk away to rebuild yourself here. Even o pipigilan ka ng taong ito. Siguro to the point na umalis ka na sa sitwasyon nito, aalis ka sa sitwasyon na to or sa relationship na to, dito na siya parang ayaw niya, so dito na siya parang hindi niya na alam kung sino yung pipiliin niya, na kailangan niya din magdesisyon dahil nahulog talaga din siya balik sa'yo. So parang ando sa point that this person will still going to connect with you, will going to ask you a second chance, a new beginning, and will really move forward towards with you. Parang feeling ko dito kasi mag-e-effort pa rin talaga siya towards with you. Dahil sobra kayo nagmahalan before Sobra kayo nagmahalan before, bumalik siya sa'yo, pero hindi na siya totally same as before, as single as before. Mayroon na siyang responsibility sa buhay niya. And that thing here with this runner oracle card, feeling ko ikaw din to na umalis ka na and siya din yung chaser dito na naghahabol sa'yo, na ayaw kanyang mawala sa buhay niya ulit. You know, but the sign came into your life. Parang the divine help you to see the signs na hindi na kayo pwede magiging katulad ng dati. So, parang nobody can stop you this time na umalis kasi nga hindi na pwede magiging katulad ng dati kahit anong ipaglaban mo pa itong pagmamahalan na to. So, the factors that affecting the situation here, because you gusto mo talaga ng future, gusto mo ng commitment, gusto mo ng goals together, gusto mo na pagpatuloy nyo towards official commitment talaga, but the thing here might be hindi ito mapibigay ng person mo because meron nga siyang responsibility na this time. And parang dito mo siya siguro nalaman, dito mo dinahadahan-dahan na bakit hindi niya ako nalalabas into sa lahat. Bakit hindi siya parang a bit of proud sa relasyon namin this time, same as before. And you gathered information about this. So, nalaman mo yung katotohanan. So, ito yung naging factors that affecting the situation nung time na you really want you na maging mabuo kayo ulit, or sabi natin na magsama kayo ulit same as before. Parang ibalik natin yung nakaraan, kaya lang hindi na pwede. So, to the point na sinaktan ka ng person na to before, nag-move on ka from this person, parang sobrang effort ang ginawa mo sa sarili mo nung time na sinaktan ka niya. So, medyo nagkagulo talaga kayo. Bakit pumasok ka pa ulit sa buhay ko? And you lied to me and nagkagulo this time. Why? Parang, para ano pa na bumalik ka sa akin and sasaktan mo lang din ulit ako. So, sobra kang nasaktan dito sa sitwasyon na to. And you are hoping dito for your hopes and fears. You are hoping really na, alam mo yung, he will going or he will going to offer you victory talaga this time. Parang second time around, diba? Divine timing. Second time around and then sinaktan ka lang din niya. You thought that this person, you are hoping that this person will going to offer you a victory this time, but yet, ang binigay sa'yo is heartaches. So, your fear here is, in this situation na parang baka nga, andun na sa point mo, sa sign na baka this time sa pagbalik niya is very way much far-fetched, same as before, na hindi na katulad noon. Parang hindi niya na siguro magawa yung kung ano man yung nagawa ninyo before, and yet nangyari talaga na when you tried siguro na nasabihin sa kanya na magiging official tayo, maging like lumabas sa in public or something, na magkabalikan na talaga tayo, pinigilan ka niya because nga nag-lie siya sa'yo na meron talaga siyang responsibility na this time, and hindi na ganun ka-easy na same as before na wala na kayong dalawa lang talaga. Okay, so let's see. Honestly, I didn't see marriage card here. Hindi ko nakita yung marriage card. So, feeling ko nagkaano lang talaga siya. Feeling ko baka nagkaanak lang siya. Feeling ko parang nagkaano lang siya, parang nagka-live-in, something like that. Pero hindi naman talaga totally kinasal kasi wala akong nakitang marriage card. Yung marriage card is nasa inyo, sa part ng reading mo, sa part mo. But that not totally marriage, I think engagement. Ang sobrang, kayo yung sobrang tumagal before, kayo yung sobrang nagmahalan, kayo yung sobrang madaming pangako, madaming pinagdaanan. Siguro there are reasons kung bakit kayo naghiwalay, might be cheating ang nakita ko kanina, and then naghiwalay kayo. Matagal na panahon, bago kayo nag-meet ulit, bumalik siya sa'yo. And you thought this is already divine timing nung bumalik siya. But he lied to you. Might be he lied to you about nagkaroon siguro siya ng anak. So he lied to you, might be about nagkaroon siya ng ka-live-in, or he lied to you nagkaroon siya ng girlfriend. Because I didn't see any marriage card here. So kasi ang nakikita ko kasi dito in this outcome, okay, final outcome, there is still a possibility na magkakabalikan pa kayong dalawa. Kasi nga, the love, the unconditional love is there. You expected na itong person na to is magbibigay sa'yo ng second chance, and second parang wish fulfillment, victory. And you really expect nung time na yon na sobrang nag-effort ka sa sarili mo mag-move on, then bumalik siya, and tinanggap mo siya ulit dahil nga mahal mo siya unconditionally. Nakita ko yun kanina, 'di ba? Sa pinakaunang reading, merong unconditional love ako nakita, and that is on your side. You might be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, and this person naman is really willing to move forward towards with you. Nakita ko siya dito na hindi ka niya tinitigilan. Andun sa point na nung nagkabalikan kayo ulit, mas lalo kanyang minahal. You know, mas lalo niyang ayaw bumitaw sa'yo. But the thing here, yung problema kasi sa kanya dito, nagsinungaling siya sa'yo. So, may takot na sa'yo this time. Because might be this person really is naging father siya. So, naging tatay siya nung time na naghiwalay kayong dalawa. And andun sa point na there is a tendency talaga na pwede pa kayo maayos. Because of this person will never talaga na ayaw niya talagang bumitaw sa'yo. And ikaw naman, mahal mo naman din pa rin itong taong ito. Gusto mo talaga ng new beginning. With this Two of Cups, gusto mo mangyari to. Gusto mo siya bigyan ng chance, but andun na kasi sa point na may takot ka na kung ano pang mga kasinungalingan ang meron sa kanya na hindi pa na-revealed. You know, doon sa point na nakikita ko even na this person is always, siguro nagkaroon dito ng time na hindi kayo nag-uusap, hindi mo siya kinausap, pero he's waiting for you. He's waiting for a sign for you dahil gusto niya talaga, parang gumagawa talaga siya ng action. I have this confidence na kukunin ko tong babae or lalaki ulit dahil mahal ko to, ayoko na siyang bitawan this time. Ayaw ko na siya ulit bitawan this time. And ikaw naman is, kahit mahal mo siya, kahit labag sa loob mo, parang aalis ka emotionally dahil nga sa mga nalaman mo na hindi mo na kasi siya pinagkatiwalaan eh. This time parang nag-lie ka sa akin. Parang ano pa, sasaktan mo na naman ako gaya ng noon. So, pero this person still keep on coming back to you talaga. So, nakikita ko pa din sa inyo positive outcome in the near future or in the future. Meron ba din pag-aayos sa inyo dito because you are a divine timing. There might be your twin flame connection, soulmate connection. And parang binigay to sa inyong test na to. Kasi pag twin flame connection, meron talagang separation na matagal. Tapos magkaayos kayo ulit. Then parang hindi pa enough yung lesson na kailangan yung i-learn. Bibigyan na naman kayo ng another obstacle para matuto sa mga lessons na yan. And how not to be a runner and chaser, and how to be dependent sa sitwasyon even if you are together. So, rare lang kasi yung twin soul connection. So, mostly kasi sa twin flame, naghihiwalay sometimes. Naghihiwalay na lang talaga at hindi nagkakabalikan. Pero connected pa din sila sa isa't isa. But some of the twin flames din is naghihiwalay ng matagal, then nagkakabalikan, and nag-i-stay na in that way because they already learn from their mistakes and lessons. Ibig sabihin, nagbago na sila or binago na nila yung mga pagkakamali nila, yung flaws, yung mistakes na nagawa nila before, na-learn na nila yun. And kaya nagkabalikan sila. So, there is possibility na mangyayari to sa reading na to. Kung isa sa inyo or both of you, matutunan ninyo yung lessons from the universe na ibibigay sa inyo. Kasi this is another, parang sabi natin na meron ng first wave before, naghiwalay kayo, matagal, nagkabalikan kayo ulit. And then mayroong second wave na struggles na naman, na parang test na naman sa inyo kung talagang sa pagbabalikan ninyo strong na kayo as a couple or hindi pa. So ito yung test ninyo. So pero there is a possibility pa din for the outcome of this reading is kayo pa din yung final together na couple. Parang kayo pa din yung magkakatuluyan niya. So anyway, kahit ganito yung reading na to, maganda din naman yung outcome niya. And I think wala siyang offense kasi wala ko nakitang marriage card dito. So, parang responsibility lang talaga yung nakita ko. Father figure. Yun lang. So, that is my reading for you guys. You might be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, as I said. Meron dito, you and your person might be an Aries, Sagittarius, Leo. You might be Libra or Taurus sign. Nandito din si Scorpio, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Pisces sign. What else? Taurus, Leo. Yun. Capricorn, Capricorn sign is also here. So, the challenge here is the 5 of Wands, guys. Yung paano hindi na magkagulo. Yung parang wala nang mangyayaring kasinungalingan pa this time. Ito yung paano na hindi na kayo magkaroon pa ng arguments or conflicts sa sitwasyon na meron kayo ngayon. But of course, hindi naman ganun kadali mangyari yun. Habang tumatagal yung relasyon, nagkakaroon talaga ng ganito. It's just like, ito yung nagiging challenge sa inyo. Itong gulo, hindi kayo nagkaintindihan. Kaya nga for the best outcome is kailangan try nyo mag-focus sa isa't isa. Try nyo mag-gain ng strength na mag-open up to each other. And kung kailangan ipaglaban. Kasi bakit wala naman ako nakikita, sabi ko nga kanina, offense sa reading na to. So that is my reading for you. Thank you and God bless.